Confused about writing checks? Don't worry, it's easier than you think, especially when you're using USAA. Today, we'll break down writing a check drawn on your USAA account, step by step, so you can say goodbye to errors and hello to financial confidence. First, let's fill in the date on the top right corner. Using the current date ensures the check is valid when the recipient deposits it. Next, on the pay to the order of line, clearly write the name of the person or business you're paying. Accuracy here is key to ensure the right party receives the funds. Now, in the small box with the $sign, write the payment amount numerically. Be precise. Use a decimal point to separate dollars and cents. This is where you spell out the payment amount. Start on the far left and write it out in words for the cents. Write them as a fraction of 100, like 45/100ths. Draw a line to fill any remaining space on the line. Sign your name on the signature line. Make sure your signature matches the one USAA has on file to avoid any issues with processing the check. Finally, the memo line is for your record keeping. Jot down what the payment is for example, rent for July, and that's it. You've successfully written a check with USAA. With these simple steps, you can confidently write checks and manage your USAA account like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips.